Right. If you've been scrolling X recently and noticed the tweets in other languages are just appearing in English without you doing anything, that's the new auto translate feature. And honestly, it split everyone right down the middle. Some folks absolutely love it, others can't stand it. And there's a really specific reason this one little update has caused such a stir online over the last few weeks. Here's what actually changed. It used to be you'd see a tweet in Spanish or French or whatever, and underneath there'd be blue button that said translate post. You tap it if you wanted it, you'd skip it if you didn't. That was powered by Google. Now there's no button at all. The tweets just arrive pre-translated by Grok, X's own AI, no choice involved. And the Reddit reaction has been wild. On one side, you've got people saying it's joyful, that it's lovely seeing folks across the world all interact, share jokes, and connect together. On the other side, you've got people saying they absolutely hate it, that they love their multilingual timeline and they're now answering English posts in Spanish without realizing the original was actually Spanish. But the real complaint everyone keeps coming back to, there's no off switch. A Swedish user said they want to read Swedish posts in Swedish, not to be forced into English. Replies are getting confused because translations hide what language was used, and Grok itself sometimes mistranslates things badly. It's not the translation people mind, it's not having any choice. So here's the question I keep coming back to. Does forcing everyone into English actually connect us in the way that optimists hope? Or does it just flatten everyone's voice into the same flavour of corporate AI language? You can argue it both ways. People genuinely do.